Your hand's gonna be covered in them.
Hope none of them start squabbling on it. Is that how they get bees on them? You know when people do world records?
I don't know. Yeah, they put hormones on them, the queen hormone.
How many there are? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 20? Can't even count. They're just gonna keep coming.
Light. My camera.
Here, I'll tilt it a little.
Can you feel them on you? Is it ticklish?
No, when on the dry areas it is. When it's on the napkin area, I can't feel them. Only, well, actually I can. There's like little cold feet. I don't know. It feels cold wherever they're walking on. Are you gonna get them off?
Whenever it dries up, they'll leave.
Yeah. How many bees are on there? Try to count them. You can't count. They're gonna keep coming on.
Moving around too much.
We'll
take a picture and count the ones on the pictures. You can do that like that.
Okay.
Well, whenever you go inside.